Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe customer portal using identity verification UI, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Stripe customer portal using identity verification UI, start by navigating to your Stripe dashboard. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the customer portal section. Here, explore the settings and find the option for identity verification. Enable identity verification by toggling the appropriate switch. Next, you'll need to configure your verification settings. Select the identity verification methods you would like to implement. These may include document verification, SMS, or email confirmation. After selecting methods, save your changes. Now proceed to your application code. Integrate Stripe's customer portal API into your application. Follow the official Stripe documentation for the correct endpoint setup. Use the API key provided in your Stripe dashboard for authentication. Once your API is set up, create a session for the customer portal. Make sure to include the identity verification options in this session. Run your application and direct your users to the customer portal link. When users visit the customer portal, they will be prompted for identity verification. They can then choose their preferred method for verification. Upon successful verification, they will regain access to their account functionalities. Monitor user feedback and error messages during the verification process. Adjust your settings as necessary based on user experiences. Finally, document your integration process for future reference and troubleshooting. By following these steps, you will effectively authenticate with Stripe's customer portal using the identity verification UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.